Hi, Professor. My name is Sarat Ismail. This is our final project, machine learning. We done by using a Python and VS Code. In this video, we will walk through what we did, the dataset we used, and the technologies and the results we got. The goal of first of all, if we explain the project's goal, the goal of this project is to apply machine learning on a related datasets. We wanted to explore the data, clean it, and build a model that can help me predict or classify system properties. Tools and technologies we used are the following tools. Python, we used the Python as a main language. Also, the place or environment we implemented is VS Code. And for pandas, as we see on later on, pandas for data analysis, Seaborn and Matplotlib for visualization, Scikit-learn for machine learning, Choplin for saving the model. We also tested some parts in a Google Colab. Some parts of the code we tested in a Google Bat instead of VS Code. But the main work was done in a VS Code. Data preparation. This data is used. It's a called project like mental assessment. Steps follow it. Loaded the dataset using pandas CFF, removed empty rows and duplicate rows, and also handled missing values. For text, we use the most common values mode. Then we save cleaned the data in a new file. And the third one is like featuring engineering and modeling building. After cleaning, we selected the features and libraries, split the data into the training and a testing using a train test split. Trained random forest classifier. We evaluated it using confusion matrices and a classification report. The model gave the accuracy and a clear class separation. Also, the results and evaluations, the confusion matrix show the strong performance, high values on the diagonal mean a correct prediction. The classification report gave us precision and a recall scores. This helped us understand how well the model is performing in a real-world case. Saving and reusing the model. We used the choplib to save our trained model as a BKL file. This allows us to reuse it later without training again. We also saved the clean dataset for future experiments. So the thing is, what we learned and the advantage of this project. This project helped us to understand how to prepare a raw data, how to train and test ML models, how to use a Python libraries effectively, how to evaluate model performance. and as you can see, this is the whole of our code, and we are going to send to you as a zip file all of the parts. You can test it and run it. We hope it will work it through without without needing a debug. This is the script statistics, also the GBA study satisfaction, job satisfaction, work hours, all of this, but covers the data. And output turned a few scrollable or open text alien numerical feature distribution. This is the statistics. This is the count distribution, academic pressure, distribution of work pressure. It's like a comparison distribution of age, distribution of academic pressure, and so on. CGPA, study of satisfaction. How many people I studied satisfaction to study? Job satisfaction, work study. All of these images or visualization, they explain the difference of these things, how people are satisfied there, what they are doing, like job satisfaction, work study hours, distribution of a financial stress, distribution of depression, distribution of a city, gender, sleep duration, distribution of profession. Yeah, and this part is explaining the prediction target. You can't run it. Analysis this, but it's also analysis of what we discussed above or we saw in a visualization. As you can see, here's also math bulletin and pandas as a BD. Also features and importance. This is also another visualization, importance score, and top 20 features by importance. So that's our final thought is. Thanks for your watching. This was our project using a Python and a machine learning on a dataset. If you have any feedback or questions, we would be happy to hear them. We hope a good luck. Thank you.